Math class number one, intended audience is for kindergarten students. The objective of the lesson is to represent teen number decompositions as 10 ones and some ones and find a hidden part. Created by Hart. We're going to begin with the vocabulary words for this lesson to have a better understanding of each section. And those words would be count, count on, sum or total, all, ones, and tens. So to begin with count, to count is to name units in a group one by one in order to determine the total number. Counting tells how many objects are in a set. So you have 1, so a child can see 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now to count on is to count in a forward order starting from a given number. So we started from the number 5 and counted 6, 7, 8, and so on. And the sum or total would be the results of adding two or more numbers. All is the whole quantity, amount, or group of elements in a set, such as this example. This is one set, and the child can count those numbers. Ones. The numbers 0 to 9 also refers to the ones place. So the ones place in this number is the first digit, which is this number here, number 4. And lastly, we have tens. The numbers 10 to 99 also refers to the tens place. In this number again, the tens place 214, the tens place is the 1. We're going to begin by reminding the students of counting from 10 to 20. So just the normal way of counting 10, 11, 12, 13, and so on. In this next step, we're going to be counting using the number 10 plus the number in the ones place. For example, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, and so on until we get to 20. So that the children understand the number 10 as the 10 place value and then the single digit. Now we're going to continue practicing counting so that the children can become familiar with what the numbers look like. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and count through 20 and practice the 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, and so on. Helps them to understand the place value and become more familiar with those teen numbers. And then we can start to say, okay, we have the number 10 and we've added 1. And we have 11. We have the number 10 and we've added 2. So we have 12. We have the number 10 and we've added 3. That's 13. 14. And continue practicing at 15 up to reach the number 20. In this example, the student has gone into a pet store and there is a pen with puppies in it. And we have the child count those puppies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 puppies that they can count. We have them label that they have 10 puppies. But what we didn't see is that there were 2 more puppies that were having a bath. So we have them add the number 2. Now we're going to have them add all of those puppies together. And now we can have the student count all of the puppies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and those 2 extra, 11, 12. 12 puppies. Now, this final example, the students have become more familiar with what the teen numbers look like and the place value. And so we're moving on to something a little more complicated and asking them to find that hidden number. And in some cases, find more than one hidden number, such as we have the number 12 here, and we're asking the student 12 equals 10 plus what? So we want them to fill in that number 10 here and recall, what was it? 10 plus
2. So find that hidden number. 12 equals 10 plus 2, and 10 plus 2 equals 12, and so on. So then they can do the next one here. 13 equals 10 plus 3. And they're going to fill in the 3 here, and now I can find that hidden number at the top. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. Same with the number 15 here. The child has to fill in the 10 plus 5 equals 15, and 15 equals 10 plus 5. And this will help them continue to become more familiar with addition and teen numbers and finding the hidden number. It also gives them a good experience to start understanding the ones place value and the tens place value.
Resources used for this presentation were taken from the Math Learning Vocab application and the Engage New York website for Modeling Kindergarten Mathematics, Module 1, Lesson 21.